Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 error code 516. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So there are two primary ways to solve the error code 516 in Baldur's Gate 3. There's a temporary fix for deleting unnecessary saves, and as the error appears to be related to how many and how large your save files are. However, the options that I am going to show you are your best bet to fix the 516 error code. So let's get on it. So first X2 is the BG3 trader fix. So discovered by this user right here on Reddit. You can fix the issue through interacting with the in-game traders. So speak to the trader where you first notice the issue but do not choose the dialogue option to trade. So use the suggested button to initiate the trade, then just purchase any cheap item, leave the trading and the conversation and save the game. And the next what you can do is to clear space on your C drive. So you must ensure you have enough space in your C drive for Baldur's Gate 3 save file. So as you continue to play, your save file grows larger. It becomes evident that you need more rooms, and issues may occur if you do not have enough room on your C drive for your save file. And clearing space in this area will help your BG3 game. And then lastly, what you can do is to change save location. So alternatively, you can move your saved files for Baldur's Gate 3 and remove the need to clear space on your C drive as discovered by this user right here in the Steam discussion post. Move your file to a different drive with more space will also fix the 516 error code. So here are the instructions on how to move your Baldur's Gate 3 save directory. So first open the command prompt as admin and then run the following command. So it is this right here. So you can go ahead and pause this video and just copy this command right here from the screen, and then your save files for Baldur's Gate 3 will be moved and preserved in a drive where you have more storage, and it may be more work than clearing out your C drive, but it does not prevent you from possibly having to delete other games, save files, and data. So the choice is yours, but Baldur's Gate 3 deserves to be seen through from beginning to end, so get your save file working. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.